This video was created for educational purposes and includes significant original text commentary.
What the is going on? Look at him. Dude, what the You alright, man? What happened? Huh? What happened? Yeah, hold on. Stay there for a second.
Behind me, very close. Y'all was scaring me.
What do you mean?
Scaring me. Somebody call 911. Just stay down. Somebody, bro. Yeah, bro. Y'all chill out. Call 911. Oh, you got somebody right there. Hey, buddy. Hey, lay down. Lay back down. Lay down. Let's get away from the car.
Yeah, sit him on the curb. See if he can stand. Are you hurt? Are you injured?
You guys are scaring me.
All right. Well, okay. You talk about that later. Are you hurt right now, though?
Yeah, I'm hurt because I'm already disabled. I have a torn.
Okay.
A torn glute. A torn meniscus.
I'll tell you what. If you see a flame, then you might get away from the car.
Is there a flame?
No, just leave him alone, dude. He said it's our fault. Were you the one he was behind? Yeah. He was trying to pass you on the right?
I don't know what the was crazy.
He was weaving back and forth. I couldn't tell. I was kind of freaking out.
No, yeah, we were. That's why we were staying back.
How you guys behind him?
He's on something, bro. Something's going on. Huh?
We were
in front of him, and we were behind him,
and he was driving erratically.
he was just like swerving back and forth bad.
Have a seat. I don't want you guys behind me really close, and I was trying to get him.
Camera don't lie.
I even pumped my brakes a couple of times.
Don't ever use
Oh, dude, wow, man.
He's blaming us on us.
Oh, yeah, that's all right.
And there was a police officer. You know, I picked him up on my radar a long time ago. He was off on the side street, but when I passed, he decided to come out and get behind me. He's practically tailgating me right now. And I've got to make a left turn coming up. I'm slowing down really fast, so he juts out in front of the car that's over in the right lane, which causes this Jeep not to be able to see that car. And then, by a miracle, there's no one standing right there at the bus stop. I, went up to them, and they seemed to be quite all right. There were two young ladies in the front seat, and there was a young boy in the back. And, you know, I don't know why the police officer decided that he should be, you know, coming and tailgating me all of a sudden. I was only about 3 blocks from home.
What are you doing?
And it's kind. All they comprehend.
What are you doing?
Dollar sign.
No, I'm good.
Your mouth goes out.
What are you? What? What? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What are you doing? Can you? I'm sorry. Holy.
Why? Why? What?
What's your problem? You drive like an asshole.
How?
You get out of my way or I'm going to run you over.
You gonna run me over?
Get out of my way. I've had enough right now.
No, you were swerving.
Get out
you
of
were
my
swerving
way.
in my lane.
Get out of my way.
You were swerving in my lane.